Gluing up a table apron presents a classic assembly problem. With one clamp in place, how do you clamp the perpendicular apron section? The answer is Woodpeckers Universal Clamp Bridges. Woodpeckers Universal Clamp Bridges fit over just about every size and style of bar clamp and give your second clamp a clear, flat surface that puts the clamping pressure right where you want it. The hooked edges of the opening grab your clamp's bar and hold the bridge in place while you locate your clamp. You'll get your projects put together faster, improve your accuracy, and use fewer colorful words. But that's not the clamp bridge's only trick. You can also use them to keep iron pipes and bars off the surface of your glue-ups, eliminating ugly stains. The two edges have different thicknesses to help you get the clamp centered on your material. North Carolina furniture repair expert Tom Delvecchio, inventor of the Delv Square, brought us the idea for clamp bridges. He developed them to save time and improve accuracy on his furniture repairs. He shaped the opening to work with all the different brands and styles of clamps he uses. We took the basic shape and worked with our injection molding partners to bring you a tough, versatile clamping aid. Once you start using clamp bridges in your projects, you'll find more and more places they can help keep pressure directed where you want it and speed up your assembly process. Order yours today.